Welcome to the Ultimate Sea Creature Challenge. 50 insanely hard questions. That'll test your brain harder than a deep sea pressure zone. Subscribe now, and the ocean adventure begins. What sea creature has a brain shaped like a donut and its esophagus goes right through it? Octopus. Which fish can literally change its gender multiple times in its life? Clownfish. What creature has 3 hearts and blue blood? Octopus. What deep-sea predator uses a glowing fishing rod on its head to lure prey? Anglerfish. Which jellyfish can technically live forever by reverting to its juvenile state? Turritopsis dohrnii. What massive sea creature has eyes the size of dinner plates? Giant squid. Which fish can generate electric shock strong enough to knock down a horse? Electric eel. What sea animal can recognize itself in a mirror? Manta ray. What marine creature eats using its stomach that comes out of its body? Starfish. Which ocean predator has been around longer than dinosaurs and can live over 500 years? Greenland shark. What sea creature can detach parts of its body to escape predators and grow them back? Sea cucumber. What marine animal has teeth that never stop growing and are harder than copper? Parrotfish. What is the loudest animal in the ocean, capable of stunning prey with sound? Pistol shrimp. Which creature has transparent skin and can be seen floating like a ghost in the deep sea? Glass squid. What marine creature sleeps with 1/2 of its brain at a time? Dolphin. What fish can climb trees and even survive on land for days? Mudskipper. What ocean creature can regrow its entire brain every few weeks? Sea slug. What bizarre sea creature looks like a living feather and captures plankton with sticky arms? Crinoid. What kind of shark gives birth to live young that have already fought each other in the womb? Sand tiger shark. Which fish looks like it's walking on the ocean floor using its fins? Handfish. What deep-sea creature can stretch its stomach to eat prey twice its size? Gulper eel. Which sea creature can shoot out boiling hot, toxic saliva to defend itself? Cone snail. What ocean animal can literally glow in the dark by producing its own light? bioluminescent jellyfish. Which marine animal has a tongue covered in teeth and scrapes algae off rocks? Limpet. What sea creature can survive without oxygen for hours by switching to a backup metabolism? Sea spider. What ocean creature has a shell that opens and closes like castanets and can clap to swim? Scallop. Which sea creature has a tongue that acts like a chainsaw? Chiton. What kind of whale can mimic human speech patterns? Beluga whale. Which fish has a transparent head so it can look straight up through its skull? Barrel-eye fish. What marine animal can throw sticky mucus nets to trap prey? Hagfish. Which creature has a body made of 95% water and can shrink itself when food is scarce? Moon jellyfish. What marine invertebrate has no brain but can still solve simple problems in a lab? Sea sponge. What underwater creature can launch itself like a rocket using water propulsion? Squid. Which sea animal has the strongest bite force relative to its size? Moray eel. What deep-sea fish can unhinge its jaws and swallow prey larger than itself? Black swallower. Which fish can inflate its body into a spiky ball to scare predators? Pufferfish. What sea creature creates a bubble net to trap schools of fish? Humpback whale. Which marine animal has blood that turns green when oxygenated? Peanut worm. What ocean predator can detect the heartbeat of prey buried under sand? Hammerhead shark. Which sea creature produces slime that can clog the gills of predators? Hagfish. What animal is often called the sea unicorn because of its long spiral tooth? Narwhal. Which fish can fly out of the water and glide through the air? Flying fish. What marine creature uses water jets to drill holes in shells? Drill snail. Which fish changes color instantly to blend in with coral or sand? Cuttlefish. What sea creature builds its own fortress out of coral, rubble, and shells? Decorator crab. Which fish looks like it's smiling and uses suction to attach to sharks or boats? Remora. Which shark can survive in both saltwater and freshwater? Bull shark. Which creature has light organs under its eyes that act like built-in headlights? Flashlight fish. What animal can send electrical pulses to navigate in murky waters? Electric ray. Which sea creature has a heart that only beats a few times per minute while diving? Sperm whale. You did it! You just faced 50 of the hardest sea creature questions out there. Drop your score in the comments and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the next crazy challenge.